See what comes in the box of these new wheel covers for new Model Y Juniper from Yeslak. And here what came in the box. Let's take a closer look. So in the package it came with 4 wheel covers, and these are matte black color. Looks really cool. As you can see here, it came separately with the center cap logo, so you have to install this yourself. Also a few tools to help remove the OEM cover and remove these wheel covers if you have issue removing them. Before we install the new wheel covers, let me show you how to uninstall the cover from the factory first. First, use the hook tool that came in the package and then insert it in like this and pull it towards yourself, and just keep doing it one by one. As you can see, eventually all of them will come out, but you have the center cap still locked in place, so you would have to grab a hold of at least two of them, and then pull it towards yourself, and make sure you grab at least 2 spokes so you don't accidentally break one of them. And that's it. That's how you uninstall the original cover. Now to install the new covers, really simple. So first, find that valve stem cutout first, and then locate valve stem on your wheel and just mash it like so, and that's it. Pop it in all around and the center, and we're done with the installation. It's really simple to install. Looks really cool too. Right now, let me install the rest of the covers. Alright, the installation is done. Looks really good. It actually covers the whole thing, and it made the whole wheel looks bigger than it is, because it covers everything here. You see all the edges. Here is the original one. It's partially covered and it stops right at the rim of the wheels, but this one covers the whole thing. It has that turbine looks to it, but it does not provide, I don't think these wheel covers will provide any extra range boost compared to this one, because I have tested this one. This one is really good. However, it won't change much from the original wheel covers. What you get is the new style, the new look on your car, and also of course the protection on the rim of the wheel. Looks really cool too. Much better than I thought. Much better than before I actually install on the car. Now let me show you the overall look of these wheel covers on the new Model Y Juniper. As you can see, these look really good. Can't really tell these are wheel covers because it has that dimensional design. As you can see, it looks really 3D, and it doesn't look flat or looks like a plastic cover at all. And one thing I forgot to mention, these are not directional. So you see this side, it's turning this way, but on the other side, this one right here is turning different direction. So if it was directional, it might benefit a little bit more with the efficiency of the car, when you drive a long distance or on the highway. But just to change the looks, I think it's worth it. To uninstall the cover is as easy as you install it. So first, get some work gloves, so make sure you don't accidentally cut your fingers, because on the inside it's a little sharp. I mean, it's plastic, so just protect yourself first. So just grab a hold on one of these spokes and pull it towards yourself, and then just keep moving little by little, and then the whole thing will just come out. It's really easy to install. And then same thing, put it back here, pop it back, make sure it's nice and secure, and you're done. Let me know in the comment down below what you think about these new wheel covers for the new Model Y Juniper from Yeslak. I think they look pretty awesome, and now you can you know, change the look of your car, change the wheel styles within seconds or a few minutes for the whole 4 wheels. And I love, you know, how it actually protects the rims too. Not only, you know, change the design of the wheels, because the original one does not protect the curb or does not protect the outside of your wheels, and let's say you curb or you scratch your wheel in the future, it will not affect your factory wheels on the inside, or just, you know, scratch the wheel covers instead.